What's up guys, welcome back to another interesting video. So dear fans, in this video I want to talk about basic coins. So dear fans, in this video I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, that how can you buy basic coin and you can stake and make a lot of passive income, as well as I will explain about real crypto credit card, black card. There is a zero fee on the transaction, so don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are newer on my YouTube channel Pro Asghar Habib, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, I have placed all official link in my video description. You simply click on it and you will come here, you can join this amazing platform. Now you can also get your black card with zero fee. This is the real crypto credit card. Now you can also stack BC coin, unlock 1000x gateway limited time offer. So grab this opportunity, don't miss out. And here you can also check out the feature that you can get right now. So here is the instant card activation, unlimited global spending, 13 instant start cashback, and earn 10% instantly on AI referrals, as well as simple KYC and instant card access. So dear friends, they are accepting all crypto for payments and 10% instant cashback on card usage and unlimited bridge from crypto to cash, and there is a zero fee black card crypto credit card as well. Now here you can also get exclusive access right now. Here we can also check out about the BC coin. Now you can also trade, you can also start buying, selling on the these reliable and trusted exchange like that, P2B as well, Xbing, Bitget, Gate.io, Maxi Global Exchange, and xt.com as well. Now let's check one by one. So here you can also check on P2B as well. Here you can also check with USDT pair. Now you can also check out 24 hours high and low volumes, as well as overall volume. And here you can also analyze price chart. Now you can also trade on here as well. So dear friends, if you come on the bingx.com, here you can also check out with USDT pair. Now here you can also analyze this price chart. So its price is making bullish right now. You can also trade, you can also buy or sell here. This exchange is also trusted and reliable as well. So dear friends, on here Maxi Global Exchange, you can also find out Bitcoin dot with USDT pair. Here you can also analyze the price chart, and you can also trade here. You can also buy or sell here as well. Now here on Gate.io, you can also trade here. You can also check that its price is making bullish and it can really have to make a lot of profit. So now you can also trade it here, and you can also make your day and day fast. If you come on the bitget.com, here you can also find out black coin price, BC coin here. Now you can also trade here. So this is an awesome project that can really have to make a lot of profit. So dear friends, if you come on the xt.com, here you can also check out BC coin with USDT pair. Here you can also check out its current price, 1.283 as well, $1.2800. So it is making hype and is ready to bullish. So don't miss this golden chance and must be buy it right now. Here we can also check more information. You can also check out the currencies these are accepting, and here you can also check out the roadmap from the beginning. So in Q1 2024, groundbreaking startups, and in Q2 2024, deepening market penetrations, and in Q3 2024, greeting the ecosystem and sharing application strategy, partnership and cross interoperability, and much more. Here you can also check out the next testing the limits and platform strengthening, and in Q2 2025, big development you will be checked like that, financing support for development, black card chain mainnet launch, and global blockchain campaign as well. Now here you can also check out in Q3 2024 full through day ahead as well, and here you will also check out the new age in Q4 2024 as well. Much more ongoing innovation, then you will be check out and must be activated on their social media as well. Now here everything at your fingerprints, and imagine a future where you digital assets are just a click away with Black Card Coin. The future is here, so easily access your financial finance from anywhere, anytime, combining the latest blockchain technology with the convenience of trading banking. So they offer you instant transactions and comprehensive account management. Welcome to the perfect blend of freedom and control right here. Now here you can also check out the main features. So the first one is user friendly interface, and you can also check out and experience very friendly. Here you can get 24/7 a day online customer support and unrevealed security, so your fund is very secured here as well. No Black Card crypto credit card. Here you can also check more information. Like that you can discover not only financial freedom with your digital currency, but also special user benefit that you can take here as well. So take advantage and of many special offers and discount with this Black Card crypto card and defense block Black crypto. So thanks for your partnership, and you must be get this one right now, and you can make your day. Here we can also check out their Black Card Coin services that is offer here. So you can also payment management, check out personal control panel and integrated payments, as well as workflow and credit and debit card are also allow here as well. Now here payment support from every platform and defense. Black Card crypto credit card sports payment are on major platform, allowing you to make seamless transactions, and their goal is to bridge the gap between traditional influence and the digital world by making it easy to manage and easy use your digital asset as well. So advanced platform, and you can conveniently transact everywhere you want and with whenever you want. So sport payment method of basic coin staking transaction is here. You can also check that Binance, Tether, and much more here. Now Black Card and basic coin in numbers. You can also check out their members detail and stack basic coin detail, basic coin volumes, and Black Card volume coming soon, and then you will be check out here as well. Now if you want to be keep with the latest news and events, so must be enter your email and subscribe to their newsletter as well. I also recommended to must be follow them on their social media to get latest news and updates related to this amazing project, and you will be able to get all information. Now let's check out if you buy basic one, then how can you stack. So here you simply click on the stack. Now here you need to enter your valid email address, and then here you need to check out amount how much you want to be spend here. Like that you can choose. If you spend $500, then you can get 10% cash back, and on others so on you can also check. So maximum is 13% cash back. Now it is up to you where you want to be select, and then select payment method. Like that USDT Tether BF20 Binance Smart Chain here, and then simply click on the send button. Then you can easily grow your money and more bets, more rewards. Start your journey today. So this is an awesome opportunity that can really have to make a lot of profit as well. Now defense here, and other awesome news. So major announcement here. You can also check out the that they are exciting to announce a massive USDT buyback on the basic Winit. You can also check out. So over the next 2 weeks, and followed by a public token burn to reduce supply and boost value potential as well. So in addition, and other rewards of this mention is here. Reward for trading liquidity on DEX in just 4 weeks, making the total of here. You can also check out 16 million are dedicated to strength block card chain, so mark presence and accessibility. So stay tuned to major bank partnership announcement, and this is just a beginning, and you will be check out much more here in this project as well. Now I also recommended of you must be follow them on their Twitter account, and you will be able to get our latest news and updates related to this amazing project as well. So this is a great opportunity for you to must be grab this one and must be buy basic coin right now. It can really have to make a million in future as well. I hope so you like this video. Share with friends. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.